Hi students, this is the topic about working with images. We all know how to create an image in Paint. We create an image in Paint, Corel Draw. Simply we can create an image. But in PHP, creating an image is not easy as in any other applications. There is no painting and clicking or dragging buckets of colors. There is no save as functionality in which drawing programs automatically creates GIF, JPEG, PNG formats. And we all know that when we create an image, it automatically saves either in GIF, JPEG and PNG. So we must tell PHP engine what to do at each step. We have to write for each step we have to write one function in order to create an image in PHP. Then necessary modifications to PHP. PHP supports variety of image formats including GIF, PNG, JPEG, etc. We need to compile PHP with Go library of image functions. I already told you in PHP for each and everything we have to write functions, and these functions are stored in Go library. And to create the use of Go library at installation time, in order to create an image we have to enable this Go library at installation time of PHP. In order to install in a Linux or Unix operating system, we have to add configure parameters as with GD. But for Windows, we have to activate as PHP gd2.dll. This is the extension in order to create an image in PHP. Then how to draw a new image in PHP? First, we have a function called image create. What it is? Image create. It creates a new image and it creates drawing area with specified width and height. That means on one canvas is created with width and height. The syntax of this image create is image create width comma height, and you can give in this way 300 width and 300 height. This is the example in order to create a image in PHP. Then if you want to define colors for use in that image, we have a function called image color allocate. What it is? In order to allocate any color, we have image color allocate. This function allocates colors to be used in the created canvas, and this ranges from 0 to 255. Here you can see for black 000, for white 255, 255, 255, because it ranges from 0 to 255. In this way we can create colors in that particular canvas. For red, green and blue, combination of 0 to 255. Similarly, you can draw shapes and lines by using functions image. If it is ellipse, image ellipse, image arc, image polygon, image rectangle, image line. These are the functions in order to draw these shapes and lines. And here you have an example program in which we are creating one image, my image, and for this we are creating height and width 300 and 300. Then for black, in previous example we have discussed about the color ranges from 0 to 255, black, white, red, green, blue. Then if you want to draw shapes in that, we have image rectangle, and the rectangle is filled with red, white and again red. And the output image to the browser in this way. You can see here image which is stored in PNG format. And if you want to clear, after creating this image, if you want to clear the space, then we can destroy by using image destroy of that particular image. And you can see the example output in this way: 3 rectangles, 3 rectangles of red, white and red. Got it? This image is stored in the format of PNG, and this image can be destroyed by using image destroy. This is the example of creating an image. Then in order to destroy image, we have a function image destroy, which clear up the memory used by the image create at the beginning of the script. And this is the example, image destroy and name of the image. And you can fill a color inside the image by using image filled ellipse. If it is ellipse, you have to write image filled ellipse. Likewise, image filled arc, image filled polygon, image filled rectangle. Then here you can see, if we want to fill the color with red in rectangle, then you have to write image filled rectangle red. Similarly, white and red. Getting, you can fill the colors by using image filled rectangle. This is the example for image filling with colors.